Here is the quick, simple take before you buy. What's up, everyone? Today we're looking at a product worth your attention. Are you tired of using multiple power strips and still running out of outlets? Well, I've got the solution for you, and it's the Belkin 8-outlet pivot plug power strip surge, a top-rated and best-selling product that's been a game-changer for many. This surge protector is not just any ordinary power strip. It's a powerhouse that can safeguard your devices and appliances with its 3,550 joule energy rating, giving you a reliable power extension cord that protects your electronic devices from damage. You'll love the compact and heavy-duty design, with widely spaced outlets that give ample area to fit big plugs and charger bricks. And the texture of the strip itself is sturdy and solid, giving you that premium feel. The sound of the safety slide locks clicking into place is music to your ears, as each outlet has a safety lock to close in used sockets, safeguarding you and your kids from accidental electrical shocks. This power strip is perfect for your home office or entertainment center, where you need to power multiple devices at once. And with its 6-foot cord, you can easily place it wherever you need it. Many customers have purchased and reviewed this product, and it's well reviewed, which is a testament to its quality and performance. I've used this power strip to charge my laptop, phone, and camera, and it's been a lifesaver, especially when I'm working on a project and need to have all my devices powered up at the same time. The feel of knowing that my devices are protected from power surges is priceless, and the result is that I can work without worrying about my equipment getting damaged. Overall, the Belkin 8-outlet pivot plug power strip surge is a must-have for anyone who wants a reliable and safe way to power their devices. And with its lifetime warranty and connected equipment warranty, you can have peace of mind knowing that you're protected. So if you're looking if this helped, link is in the description for the current price. If this review helped, please like the video, subscribe for more honest reviews, and share it if you liked the video.